If your YouTube shorts are glitching, freezing, or not loading properly, this step-by-step guide will help you fix the issue. Start by launching your YouTube app. Now completely close the app, then reopen app to see if the problem is resolved. In many cases, a simple restart of the app can fix minor glitches. If the issue continues, go to your phone settings and navigate to General. Now head over to the option storage. Wait for the storage section to load, then scroll down and find the YouTube app. Tap on YouTube and choose the option to upload the app. Then confirm by selecting upload again. After a few seconds, tap on reinstall app and wait for the process to finish. This will update YouTube to the latest version without logging you out of your account. If you're using an Android device, follow similar steps by accessing your storage settings and managing the YouTube app from there. Once the app finishes updating, open YouTube again and check YouTube Shorts. In most cases, the process fixes glitching and freezing issues and allows Shorts to work smoothly again. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.